Yeah, hello lovely viewers, I welcome you to Omades, and please, if today be the first time you are visiting the channel, you kindly subscribe, you like, and then you share. And in today's episode, I want to see how we can liquify a text. So first of all, you have to come to File and go to New. Okay, then you open your page. Okay, yeah, I'm choosing A4. This one will not take any measurement, so everything here is okay. Good. And then I'll rotate it to landscape. Okay, I'll come to image, and I'll come to image rotation, then let's say 90 clockwise. Good. Let me zoom the page a bit. Sorry. So I'll first of all give it a background. Okay, I'll choose a background so that what I'm coming to do will appear well. Okay, so let me take this rectangle. Okay, rectangle now, choose something like this. So I've taken this rectangle and I'll draw this. Okay, and let me blend the colors. So I'll come here, fill. Okay, then come to gradient. Okay, and then I'll choose a color for it. Okay, so okay, it's okay. Now, so I'll take a test tool. Okay, and then I'll write something. Now let me take test tool. Okay, and then I'll write liquify. Okay, I've written liquify. Yeah, this. Then after that, you come to filter, then you come to liquify. Okay, goodbye. It says this type layer must be rasterized before proceeding. This text will no longer be editable. Rasterize the text, rasterize the type. So you have to rasterize it, and if you rasterize it, you cannot edit it. So you have to make sure what you have written is what you want. You have to make sure the spelling and everything is correct before you rasterize it. Then you press OK. Then this dialog box will open. So when this one opens, then you come up here. Okay, then you take forward warp. Okay, forward warp. Now you take it, then you start touching it. Okay, making some edges around it where you want it to be like liquid. Okay, then you touch that place. Okay, that is to liquify it. Yeah, so you use this to make all the liquefaction around where you want it to look like liquid. And using the mouse to make those effects. Okay, here still remains Omades. Please, if you have any comment, kindly drop it under the comment section. We are learning how we can make a text looks like liquid. Okay, yeah, it's like it's melting. Yeah, so after this, then if you are sure what you have done, that is what that you want, then you press OK. You see, it will reflect here. Yeah, and here you can change the color by coming to blending options here. Okay, yeah, though you can select the color before you liquify it, but after you can still change it by coming here. Okay, yeah, click on color overlay, then you choose any color that you want. So I can also choose gradient, then blend the colors. Okay, good. And the colors, then I can give it a shadow to stand out well. Double click here and I'll choose reader. Yeah, I'll let it be in the middle. So I can let this one come here, then this one will come here. Just like that. Or like this. Now, so now I'm done. So that is that. That is how you can liquify a text. Okay, it's very simple, very easy to do. So here still remains Omades, and if you have any comment, kindly drop it under the comment section. Thank you for your time, and please enjoy this tutorial. Bye bye.